How to transfer chats from WhatsApp from one phone to another phone in Android. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up WhatsApp on your device. Now tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now go to settings. Now scroll down. Now tap on chats. Again scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on transfer chats. Now click on start. Now give all the permissions and wait for the process to complete. Now once the process complete, go to the WhatsApp on a new phone. Now simply tap on agree and continue. Now give all the permissions. Now log in into your account. Now once you log in, a prompt will appear on your screen. Simply tap on continue. Now tap on continue. Now give all the permissions. Now scan this QR code from your old phone and then you will be able to transfer chats from one device to another. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.